Alrighty then. Hello, Airless. Oh, welcome. Alrighty, so we're gonna get back to the water thing. And speaking of the water thing, I've made, I guess you could call it some form of progress. Yeah, let's call it that. Pop out chat. Bring you over here. Sure, it's on live and not just the top. Excuse me. So here's the amazing progress that we have been made. Alright, so the issue is that this needs to instead be now hold on, how can I do that? I need to to eternity and the dollar store. All right, anyway. Texture dot from blah blah. Cast to base texture. Okay, so now that I'm refreshed from Ester A, we should be pretty good on this now. So the sprite set tile map. I have another way of doing it if not, but that's okay. Like, okay. Alright. So we should have... these are... Okay, all the tile map winners, sprite characters, sprite destination. Anyway, if this has a base texture... It should, but it doesn't. Wah. Okay, well the sprite set should have a base texture, right? There we go. So this should work. But yeah, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing good. Today we are actually going to make some progress. I think. Correction, today we're definitely going to try to make some progress. I think. Anyway, moving on. Probably gonna give me an error. Yeah, automatic resource. So this should be dot texture dot base texture. Or let's just do dot texture first. Wait, maybe we don't even need to do it that way. Maybe we just can do straight up. Hey everyone, let's have a Alright. We're using copy texture anywhere else? No, I don't think we are. Well, it worked. Or it didn't. I'm 100% not sure, actually. Khakis? Okay, hold on. Let's do default real quick. No, yeah, it's definitely working. So to make sure it's working, we're gonna do a little temporary doohickey. Hey, shipmate! Welcome. Enjoying coffee and getting ready to leave for work. Well, I hope you do have a good day at work. And if anyone gives you a hard time, call them a hooker for me. Whoa. Whoa. No, it's not working. Darn it. And that's because, like, that's an empty texture, so I think it needs to be... Okay. You will call them that? That's good. Base texture. Alrighty, let's try it. Holy crap, excuse me, dang. Oh, I no longer feel bloated, at least. Okay, why is this doing that, though? It shouldn't... Okay, is it because... Okay, let's try this again then. Let's copy texture. Sorry about that. Texture.from. Oh. Okay. Like you. Oh, dot clone. Okay. I scared you. That's great. Hi, shipmate Skitty. Meow meow. That was cat form, sorry. Actually, I'm lying. I have no idea what that was, but... Okay, is it trying to work? It's just not. By 2. Nope, it is just not a texture. Alright, I need to, okay, here's what we can do. I didn't want to make this a global variable, but I guess we're gonna kind of have to. Because I need to grab the render after it's rendered, so I can render the render with a render. As confusing as that sounded, it's somewhat, like, accurate. Anyway, where is it? Yeah, it's this one again. Oh, no, it's not. Is it? Yes, it is. Copy, dude. Son of a hooker. Well, I might as well keep that as well. No. All we need is graphics.app. Wrap this in an IAFE. Graphics.app.ticker equals function this arguments and gosh, why am I so gassy all of a sudden? Ding dong, the doorbell is ringing. Alright, so my brain just shot itself again. Okay, there we go. You know what, we'll just and then we'll do graphics clone texture dot update, and there should be like a if this can render thing. Oh, well, here it is right here. Whatever. We'll just try this way. Might get an error. Yeah. It was on tick, that's why. I uninstalled Node and Chocolate last night, and can use the npm commands now. I guess you need to figure out how to make a NWS folder. Copy into the main folder though. Are you on Windows or Linux? Or Mac? Basically, you would download here. You're on Windows? Okay. So what you would do, oops. Matter of fact, you know what? Throw that out. We'll be using Electron instead. Yeah, no, we'll be using Electron. So you can get rid of the whole node thing for now. Renderer. Oh, you know what? I know why. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm going to do like a little bit of optimization here to avoid making the if statement a lot. And empty Electron folder last night? You can do that. Yeah, plus I kind of prefer Electron anyways. Electron is just, it's nice. But it's like a love-hate, I guess, relationship thing, because programmers love it, but they also dislike it. And I don't know why. I personally I like it. It's pretty swag. Anywho, where'd my brain go? Yeah, so I'll work on this for like a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and like work on the engine thing that we were doing for you. Matter of fact, you got to go to work soon, so I think I'll work on that first. But let me see if this works though. So what I'm doing here, I'm replacing this the function here. Right now, it's gonna calculate the whole dang time to see if well, how can I explain this? Oh my, rewatch the. So this is a way to every frame you can check. As you can see, like we have the on tick here. What this does is every frame we can process an if statement until the condition is met, and then no matter where it is, it'll never process that again. It's just like an optimization by overriding the original function to an empty function. By doing that, it'll just call however, I did not do it right. I need to put this here. Instead of like every frame for this though, we're just going to be doing it in the map creation process. The reason I want to do that is so we don't like overload the... Okay, why is the on tick not working? Oh, you know what? That's probably why. Oops. Alright, seems like this won't allow me to use call. There we go, I just had to manually... Why did it not... Oh well. So I guess we can do it this way then. Now, hopefully... Yes, there we go. Now you can see it's starting... Now we got it. Alright. So now if we do this... Yeah, it's going to look like this again, but... Even better... We can now do... what we did the other day, like we tried to do. Clone updater plus. If clone updater %2 is 1. It's trippy. Noise. You know it. Alright, so that's gonna like... Oh, it's because we're not mixing it. Duh. Ignore me, I'm sorry. Mix, water, current, 0.5. We're getting closer. We are getting closer. But the only issue is the sine and cosine thing is incorrect. So I need to do S time divided by D long. And then S time divided by D long. And that. Instead of water.a, this needs to be D long. Okay. Well, there we go. We're getting there. Kind of looks cool. Problem is though, no matter what way you look at it, you're always going to end up with it like overlapping some tiles because the tiles aren't technically there. They're all just painted. Looks like a super hot day. Yes, it does. Now it looks like a super colorful day. Like someone took LSD. It's hot. And I guess this will be based on water.a. So yeah, by doing that, we can straighten that out. So we do got the water thing here. Look how cool that looks. Yo, I like that a lot. Hold on. Let me paint some more blotches. And by some more, I mean one. Now, I don't think it's gonna look that good here. What just happened? Hey, grr, I see my ferret's nose sticking through the door. Yeah, my baby. Here she comes. Supervision! Chocolate's come to help me out. Hey, boo-boo. Come here, babe. You come to help Daddy out? Huh? Am I confused? She's like, yeah, but you know, it's nothing new. Pretty much always confused. Leg itchy. Get it. Yeah. I love my little boo boo. She's my sweetheart. Alright. I gave her loves. She gave me loves. And now you might hear the ferret sounds. Let me put her to the mic. You gonna do the sound? You co-streaming? You co-streaming? Love you, babe. Alright, here you go. I'll let you down. You okay? I'll be right back, guys. Come on back. Here, get your fresh drink. Alrighty. Probably more helpful than her cat lays on. Little Katie lays on the screen. It looks like Kirby, like just inhaling a giant chunk of weed smoke or something. My cat loves to help by scaring the mess out of me, jumping on top of my chair while I'm working. Oh no, evil kitty! We got a prankster cat. I think I know why it's doing that. Yeah. X. And then Y for that as well. Mock you. No. Alright. I I am the dumb. I did the stupid fill right here. It needs to be at XY. Minus width divided by 2. Oh, where did it go? I just don't know. I'm so confused now. Wah. Okay, hold on now. Wah. Na, da, na, na. I like evil cats. Thanks, YouTube. Welcome to live chat. Remember to... Okay. I appreciate that, YouTube. Thanks for letting me know. What? Why is it sticking the blotches all over there? Oh! I am the one who's very dumb sometimes. Nope, this needs... Okay, width divided by 2, height divided by 2. And that's the radius. And then the drawing part... should be blotch.x and y. So why is it not working? That should automatically work. But it now does that instead. HTML canvas, why are you so confusing? Alright, that actually makes no sense right now. What is going on and why? It can't just be like that, right? No, because that like makes it a square. We need to offset it by the dang width and the height of the and the circumference of the thing and the hookers. Okay, let's just try width divided by 2. It should be like smack in the middle. Pow! Right in the kitchen. Nope, I'm actually completely lost. Radius? Ah, so for some mysterious magic reasons, it's radius divided by 2 instead of the width and height. Oh, I'm stupid. That makes sense, actually. I mock you. Does everything need to be radius divided by 2? Height equals it's times 2. I think I know why. Yeah, there we go. We just made whirlpools. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's really freaking cool. We just like made distortions in space. All right. Water times current. No, we just made black voids. Water divided by current. Corinth. White voids. Oh, that's awesome. These what? Oh, cool. It ripples when the character walks through. Yipper. I just need to figure out a way to. I guess I'll add a command like saying erase square, so like that way you can make the blotches, like wherever the water wherever you want. Heat from larva, yes. 1 point minus water A. I just want to isolate these real quick so I can see. Actually, that's a lie. I didn't know it would do that, but it's really cool. And I can use it to my advantage. So, alright. So what's happening here is... Okay, that's... Looks like it's... Yeah, it's... We made it flow to the left somehow. Ow, my eyes. The void is coming. Yes, it is. Anybody else's brain hurt? Like, teleportation. Yes. V texture core dot x times pi. Huh? Divided by water dot a. What is happening? Alright. Water. Alright. So it is this, but I need to. Drugs are bad, okay? Yes, they are. Yes, they indeed are. Like, I need to make it... What if we put the X and Y both reliant on the X? And then, okay, let's try this. Be texture chord, or I mean, dang it. GL frag chord.x. That'll give it more scatter, as you can see, like in the edges, but it's not. Okay, S time plus. So yeah, that's gonna make it wave like that, which I like that a lot. Needs to be. Oh, oops. Okay. This should be it. This is not it. Okay, Oh, come on. Why is this not working? Well, regardless, times DLOM, I guess. Yeah, I guess that'll be fine. I don't know why. And we also need to say, okay, this is gonna have to be wrapped because we are about to do something cool. We need to give it an offset. Yes, it does. Now, we can actually do something really interesting with this. Like, make it reflect the bottom screen. Like what's on the, like what's under it. But see, like right now, that's called screen space reflection, sort of, kind of like take what's rendered. Like right here, it'll render the lines you can see from the street. But what instead we can do is absolutify the negative value plus that. So now it should be upside down, but it's not, which means I need to do it this way. Yeah. All right. So now everything should somewhat be upside down, like when it gets reflected as well. Now let's give it an offset. We can do, let's say 8 pixels. So 8 divided by height minus that. So yeah, now it'll start reflecting underneath a little bit, like a bit lower. As you can see, hold on, let me make it even bigger. Let's do 32 pixels. Now you can see it's starting to reflect, well, actually in this case I think it's going to go up instead of down. Yeah. I need to place them in better spots. Hold on. Okay, there we go. However, it's not down. It's not upside down like I was hoping it'd be. It should be upside down though, and I don't know why it's not. So okay, let's solidify. Yeah, so now it's like that, and that's not what we want. How can I flip it? That does nothing either. Oh, you know what? That looks kind of cool. I like that. Let's see what it does with this as well. Okay, yeah. Ooh, I like that. It scatters it a bit better. But how can I upside downify it? I could try the... Okay, 1.0 minus... But like that's gonna draw the stuff underneath like way far. Yeah, that's like way too dang far. It's drawing light speed as well. Alright. Let's how are we gonna figure this out? It does still look good. Thank you, appreciate that. But I must. Wait a minute. Just to make sure the reflection is going the right way. I'm like vampire, masquerade, swan song. That reminded me of Dr. Juan. Vampire the Masquerade though. I want to say I've heard of that, but I would be lying. Okay, hold on. Let's try this. First, let's take the moon. And you take the memes. Make it all old as a... it's kind of working. But it's still got like his red head. Redhead redemption. Stop, we're not doing it. Plus 32 divided by height. There we go. And as the camera changes, so does it. Alright, current plus equals d-lum. Now we should just be able to straight up say current. Ah! My eyes! Boy. Okay. You know what? Check this out. I can just do that, and then now we have like basically perfect reflection. And now the reflection was completely wrong. I had a character facing the camera, and the reflection mirror was facing the same way instead of showing the back character. Oh, yeah. I've actually done something similar. Hold on. H.io / I'll just go to the dash. Not notifications. Whatever. I'll just go to the dashboard real quick. Where is it? I actually did fix this issue once. As you can see here, like I did like a little reflection thing. Hey, pretty cool. What I'm trying to do here is dynamic, though. It's not like that was sort of baked, kind of like you already applied the imaging and stuff like that. Now, however, I want to try what I was originally planning with this, and that is this dot dynamic canvas equals. Hold on. Got another idea, actually. We might be able to. Yeah, we can do like an object. Okay, yeah, we can do all that object array based. Okay. So we'll do a sticky and dynamic target system. Add a ripple or add ripple. Right, but the reflection you have is what they had when the character is facing towards the camera. It looks like two characters looking at the camera. Ah, yeah, that dookie. That doodle. It's alright though. I mean, it was a pretty tricky thing to get. It's like, because like you had to like clone the, you had to clone the main sprite set. And then like just like invert their things. X. We'll have depth and power to it. Wait, that was a AAA game? Seriously? Why did they? If it's... I can understand if it's like from, an indie dev, but AAA, I mean, come on. I'm not like blaming them or anything like that, or not like trying to be hard on them or anything, but they really should have known, that should have been done way better. They're probably using some like old API like that they have little knowledge of, and that's why I like to do stuff myself. That way I'll have the information on it if I ever need to change anything about it. This dot object array dot push, and then we're gonna do their characters dropping out of T-pose in the middle of the scene. Sounds like it was like a rushed project, like kind of like how Sonic Boom was. Sonic Boom was apparently it was gonna be amazing, but Viz 60 no come on that's not good. Let's see. So dot width will be the power. Yeah, that'll be power. Yeah, power plus depth. Ripple dot height is the same thing. Target sticky dynamic. And then X, Y, width, depth, power. Now they tricked you with the trailers? Yes, it is, Viz. Find Your Flame is my literal favorite friggin' like song to ever exist. Yeah, we should be able to do it this way. Okay. Okay, let's do this right here like that. X, Y. Yeah. Width, ripple, dot width, height, ripple, dot height. Alright, so this shouldn't break. It shouldn't do anything yet, but it shouldn't break either. Okay, good. Alright, so since this is where, okay. I need to look up context 2D draw circle. Literally just arc. Starting an angle. Okay. Stage 0. Alright. So then we would do context. Alright, first off, canvas.width equals canvas.width for clearing the dynamic types. Context.arc first off, context.fill_style equals, let's do RGB 255 divided by or you know what? Yeah. No, we can do 255 minus stage times 10. Or just stage. Yeah. Minus stage. No, because stage is also going to have to be the things. So oh, yeah, you know what? No, yeah, okay, we could do it that way. Minus 255 divided by stage. No, hold on. That's not going to cut it. Yes, this is going to be... There we go. Okay. So yeah, it'll be negative 255 divided by stage. No. Alright, well we can do it this way then. Stage times we'll say, oh, actually, what am I doing? This isn't correct either. All right, let's just do RBGA 255, 255, 255, and then base the alpha on that minus stage times width divided by height. So times the aspect ratio of the thing. Well, no, that would just be 1 because it's like the same. So we can just say divided by, yeah, minus. So this should work then. Stage divided by width. Nope, I have a feeling that's not going to work either. Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, no, here's what we can do. RGB and context.global alpha equals stage divided by width. Or width divided by stage, because that's a 0 to 1. And should, yeah, that'll work just fine. Nice. All right, so we got the x and y in radius, right? So x, y, stage 0 math.pi. I think that might make a half circle. And this also needs to be stroke style. And we can leave the counterclockwise thing alone. This.context.draw image, canvas, XY. Okay, yeah, so this is width divided by 2, height divided by 2. And now to make a ripple, we're gonna go ahead and do this here. If touch input is triggered, this dot water container dot add ripple touch input dot x touch input dot y depth 10 power 20. Anyway, context, wait, stage plus equals well, we don't need to do it that way. We can just do, since we need to directly affect it, blotch.stage plus equals yo mama. Plus equals 1. Okay. Oh. Capitalize in the end. No. Oh no. Alright, you know what? Why? Alright, let's get rid of that. Get fixes, oh no. Oh no! You die. That was the Zelda thing there, though. The book, it burns. Anyway, Harpy de Derpy. I'll never say that word again. Alright, so let's just do 0 and 0. Like mock you. Is it just like not adding it? Okay, fine. Let's say input.is triggered. Okay. Oh! I am the one, the dumb, the dumb. This should work. This doesn't work. And that's because I'm actually dumb. There it is. Fits the North Star ripple effect. Kinda. Oh no! But it's still not working. Not like I want it to. It do be smooth though. Where was the... Wait, where am I... This should be more akin to... Yeah, there we go. So now it's gonna be fading. Fine. Let's say plus equals 1 divided by width. Yeah, there we go. No? Alright. Why? Yet again, my brain just says, "Nerp." No? It does look really, really cool. So let's just do this then. Let's just go back to this method here. The unorthodox method. And we'll do 1 divided by width times 255. Like nothing. Why is it not fading? Bruh, it should be fading. It's not fading out. It should be. Why you no fade? Is lower more transparent? Yes, it is. Okay. CTX.stroke width, line width would be equal to the depth. Oh yeah, so since these values don't exist on the other one, we need to throw this in an IAFE so that we can define doohickey thingy-majigs. Const power depth equals this. Wait. Watch. I hope this doesn't go south. It actually went south. Okay. Width divided by power times depth. Oh, ooh. Ooh! Oh, that's really friggin' cool. Not exactly what I was looking for yet, but really cool nonetheless. And then this is just happening like light speed. 1 times depth divided by power. Let's try that. They made little puffies. Hey guys, got y'all, little puppy. All right. Anyway, seems like plus depth divided by power. There we go. Now I just need to make it fade like it should. Stage divided by 255. Yeah, stage divided by 255 should be good, right? Okay, so it fades in, but not out. Okay, why is that like that though? That should, okay, this should make it fade in too. Yeah, there we go. 255 minus stage dot. Now it'll fade out just fine. Now it won't fade out just fine. Oh, man. Oh. Airless! Welcome back. Yeah, why do the ripples not like fading? I can, like, make it fade in. Absolutify. Oh, that's looking nice. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Nah, that abs. Yeah, no, but it's still backward. Yeah. Alright, okay, hold on. Something really actually weird's going on now. Let's try straight up 255. What does that do for us? And 50. What does that do for us? Wow. 10? Huh? 0.5? Okay. So I was right, it is like a... Wait, for real? What's happening right now? Why is it not... Okay, so it is that then. So we will say depth divided by power. I mean, that should just straight up work. Oh no, it won't. Yeah, it won't, because that is it needs to be based off of so stage divided by width should work then. Why would that not work? It has every reason to work. But it'll be backwards again, I think. What am I doing? Yeah, it's backwards again. Now we got it though. 1 minus that. It should start not transparent and then fade into transparency. Oh, come on. About 100 then? Some arbitrary number? Ugh. Oh. Anyway. Yeah. Alrighty. Minus stage. Stage. Okay. Excuse me, what? Oh, it's the line width. Man. I'm just gonna keep it 1 for now, and then like... Okay, so it's not the line width. It was this. Why? Okay, that's nice and all. But this needs to not be like that. Starting line angle. Oh! No, yeah, I was right. Okay, so it is working. Just like we intended it to, but this needs to be mapped up pi times 2. Alright, so now what I want to do, hold on. This is gonna have to be yeah, so now it'll like shrink. But what I want to do, see right there, now it shrinks, is have this just like straight up fade out after like a set time. So stage divided by depth plus power, right? So I'm gonna make it so that when it hits the edge of the water, there we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna have like when it hits an edge, like it recreates. How do I do that though? Alright, so if blotch.stage is equal to depth plus power divided by 2, so this needs to be rounded. Or floored, not rounded. Yeah. Is equal to math.floor that. And then we will do this dot add ripple xy. The depth is going to be contacts.line width. And the stage is going to be, or the power is going to be power divided by stage. Yeah, we can do the same with this. Depth divided by stage. Now we're either going to absolutely nuke the PC. Nice ABS skill. Oh yeah, I know what you're saying. Kind of cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. why is the canvas width becoming 0 after it erases? Well, we could just say, all right, fine. Let's just say greater than, and then we'll add another ripple, and then just for good measure, we'll this dot object array dot slice this dot object array dot index of this one return. Bad idea, but you know. Okay. If canvas dot width greater than 0, well, then we can do all that. Huh. Alright, fine. We can say if stage. Ah, here we go. Const alpha. Alpha. It remains like the lag. Holy crap, that chunk was frozen. Oh! I can't. You good? You good? And we'll say, if not this dot new spawn. To the place I belong. Oh, you know what? I really need to work on my variable naming. Country road, virgin nuns in the western skies, Blue Ridge Mountains, train on the river. See reflection? Oh, yeah, that's right. You didn't, you weren't here for that. Yeah, we got the reflection thing going. It is chronically lagging right there because cake based on Mount Everest, it remains like the wind. And we'll set a no repeat value to true. That's looking good. Thank you. Much appreciated. Let's see. Alright, but it's not creating the new ripple like I was hoping it would. That's alright. I mean, I was kind of like wanting it to, you know, do the thing with the thing and wait, we can do depth times alpha. Yeah. That'll make it like ripple better. Start large and then shrink. Yeah, once it gets to the thing. Alright, so now we just need to actually properly measure the thing. So we want a ripple of, say 30? Radius of 30? Dirty birdie. Alright. Get rid of that. Repeat. Get rid of that. Another book. It burns. I don't know why that's stuck in my head, but... No, let's just add the dang stage by a solid 1. Oh. Road trip, I am at home. Where am I? Why? Why in the heck is it not working? Fine, let's try a 100. I gave my cat herpes. Alright, my brain is just not having it right now, yo. It's been too dang long. Wait, what? No way I did that. Oh no. Why? Oh. Oh! Alright. Oh, they really? Alright, I'll be right back, guys.
Hummingbirds.
Hummingbirds? Really? Haven't seen one of them yet. Here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Finally. Took me forever to swallow that pill. I had to take my other medicine real quick as well. Alright, check this out. That's kind of cool. It actually like reflects the... Thank you. Yeah, even the ripples get reflected. It's freaking sweet, dude. So that's a good opportunity to test. Well, Well, it's working, kinda. Oh yeah, this needs to be ×2 as well. Yeah, because the alpha is a 1 minus that, so multiplying would be dividing, so that's what we want. But why is it not extra thick? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it is working. Okay, so in that case, we're gonna move on to the next cool part. Filling in the doohickey. Fill style will be the actual alpha. This will be the alpha divided by 2 for the stroke style, and then we will do fill and then stroke. Now watch this. This is cool. Look. Never making that sound again. Good old Benadryl's working. Alright, you have a good night. Bye, shipmate. Thank you for joining. There we go. I love the way that looks. It's a little too bright, though. Oh, that's so cool! But it unfortunately fails into a square, so this needs to be ×2. And the fill style will be 255 times alpha. Nice. If context.line width is equal to 1, then we destroy its thing. So this dot object array dot splice. And then this object array dot index of blotch 1. So now it should delete itself, like Cletus deletus, but it doesn't. What? Console.log this object array length. It does. Yeah, it works. Hey, man. All right. So now what we can do is, as the character moves, check this out. This is gonna be cool, cool, cool. It's gonna be cool. Right. If game player dot is moving, I think it is, then we're gonna do that. Now this is actually gonna end up in disaster because like we're gonna spawn a bunch. Yeah, they're all spawning in the same spot down here. No, they're not. Are these? Oh, they're still spawning here. minus game map dot display x times game map dot tile width. So yeah, now we're gonna make it so that like when you walk, the player makes ripples and stuff. Y. It sort of works. That's not good. So we need do this minus and then that. Making waves? Why is it not like making waves where I would like it to make waves? Not to mention, this needs to be ripple timer. This dot ripple timer plus plus this dot ripple timer percent 5 equals 1. So yeah, now we're gonna be like a lot less laggy. Ruby Roo once said laggy lelp. Anyway, so it's at the character's position except for when the screen scrolls. Why? Do we need to do plus? Getting closer? Yeah. Ah, okay, yeah, it was plus. And this doesn't need to be like that anymore. There we go. Yay! But like, I want the ripples to only be in like wet areas though. So what we can do about that is we can make the right now we're basing it on the direct lumens thing. So we can actually remove the red value from that. And we can make these things red. By doing multiplied by multiplied by water.r. So that would mean these at the moment would become, right, what does that mean for us though? that means this would have to be a 0. Yeah, and then it should just work. Like, I know it looks weird there. Well, I don't think we can do it that easily, so I would have to make another layer and then double send over the textures to make the ripples work. But that's okay. Yeah. Because they do look cool. And... here, let's try this. Make like a giant area of water. Well, that was a little too much. And then after this, I'm gonna just call it for now. Look at that. Oh, I love that a lot. That is really cool. What if I do that again? Yeah, it does that. What if I do current.a equals... nah, we do need to mix it. Current times equals water. Well, this is a good, like, debug tool. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end it now. One more thing. Alright, one more thing, and then I'm ending. So let's refix the lumen thing. This is gonna be a disaster. No, it ain't. Huh. Wow. That really kind of looks pretty good. What if we do divided? No, let's doing that again. Minus? I want to make it dark in it instead of, oh. Well, actually, I'm kind of unsmart about that. Because all we need to do is water times equals lumens water. Yeah, look at that. But the only thing is, it's based on the camera angle, so as you can see, we're over here, now it's like reflecting like that. That is not how the reflections work. So we will be patching that up as well later on. But like, just like look over here in the little corner, you got like this little wet spot. It's so dang cool. So yeah, the best way to do this is to make it reflect only the tile map, but also, it's hard to explain. But yeah, we will do that in the next one. Airless, I will go ahead and do your thing actually now. So yeah, we're going to be using Pixie. I mean, not Pixie. Freaking Electron instead. npm I Electron in our main project folder. And as for the module here, we're just gonna get we're gonna change this to ES next as well. After using npm I Electron, define module and module resolution option no. Hold on, I'll get to that in a sec. What does it want me to do? Type to node. Okay. All right. So yeah, once you've installed Electron, we are gonna go to the script section and do npm or start, and we'll do electron dot. And I'm gonna steal some code. Electron getting started. Only because it's like convenient copy paste. We're gonna be changing a little bit though. Now we're gonna change index.js to index.html or HTML to JS instead. We're going to make a file in our main root directory called index.js. And we're going to copy and paste that code. Now, what we're going to change here in the web preferences, we're going to get rid of the preload and we're going to say allow running insecure content true, node integration true, and I think that's all you need. Let's see. Yeah, once you load npm start. What? Oh, I never actually saved the changes to the thing. Okay. Yeah, so now we have our document here. Hopefully no errors. Exports is not defined. Oh yeah. It's because I didn't, I gotta start the watch thing so that it can recompile with the new settings. There we go. Cannot use import statement outside of a module. Yes, you can. Forget how to solve that. Hold on. HTML meta import function. No, that's not gonna work. HTML cannot use import statement outside a module. I remember there was a pretty easy way to fix it, but I don't remember what it was. JS. Say hello. Type equals module. Maybe? Canvas not found. Okay, yeah, no, that's correct. So now we're getting there. It's just not finding this for some reason. Classes canvas slash. But look, it's right freaking. That's why. C slash classes slash canvas. Ah, that's why, isn't it? No, it's not. Why does it say it's not found? It's very clearly right there. Okay. Copy link address. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's right there. What are you talking about, man? Yes, it is. I had to manually type JS? That's not normal. You shouldn't have to do that. And I think I know why. It's expecting... Yeah, I'm not doing all that. Okay. So I guess you do have to manually do index.js for this. You really shouldn't. But I guess it do be like that. Alrighty. So next, we have our test canvas here. Test canvas dot spawn document dot body. Yo, Voxcast, what up? JD Gold, how you doing? And also know you. How you doing? Welcome to the stream, and hope you enjoy your stay. Okay, yeah, so the appending thing does work. Alright. So what we're going to be doing then, in the... I'm just going to close all these JS exports. We don't really... Yeah, later. We're gonna go ahead and do this dot view dot style equals image rendering pixelated style is not a read-only property. That is incorrect. Unless there's like a new way to do it for some reason, but I'm gonna do a TS ignore on that. Image rendering pixelated, image rendering optimize speed, image rendering crisp edges. And we're also gonna do object fit contain width 100%, height 100%. So what that's gonna do is that will allow the canvas to completely scale to the page. Right now we don't have our CSS set up properly, but wait a minute, why is it only... my speed. All right, you know what? We'll just do this in CSS. Like, we'll just say, let's give it a class list dot add core. We don't even need to give it a class. You know, let's just do this in CSS. It's a lot cleaner. Link rel equals style sheet. Type equals text slash CSS. href equals style dot CSS. And we're going to put style.css in our main root directory as well. You can organize it if you want. Generally, though, these files, there's only 2 files, so I just kind of keep them in the thing. Okay, so we're going to do asterisk, and then width, 100%, height, 100%. Maybe we don't do that. Let's just do HTML body. Yeah. And then we're going to do... we are going to do an asterisk. Let's say margin 0 pixels, padding 0 pixels. Canvas. I'm live. Why? No, what's up? No, I can pause for a sec. What's up? Okay. I'll be right on back, fellas. Alrighty. You have a good day, Eris. Good luck at work. See that? What my dad showed me was awesome. That's where the error was. Okay. Why was I doing commas there? Anyway. So yeah, doing this now. Canvas, as you can see, will stretch all the way. Even though its internal resolution is 32 by 32. We will also do background black to give it a black background. And our rendering engine is now starting. We can do overflow hidden for the whatever container that it's in, or for the document and body. And you know, just because it looks cool, no, I was gonna do a frameless body, but we don't need to. I wonder if, like, by using the module resolution, if that will also fix. No, we don't need to do that. Anyway. So to fix the weird thing here, I think what I need to do is... we don't need to. This will work just fine. I still don't know why I need to... let's try this. npm init-y in whatever folder the index.js is in. And that works, doesn't it? No way, dude. That's not gonna work. It can't work. Why does that work? Whatever. Alright, so we'll do classes. Now it's going to say it's not a module, so that's what we're going to be doing here. Import canvas from /canvas. And then say export var canvas. Or export class canvas. Wait, why is that not working? Oh, wait, yeah, it's over here. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it's like that. Okay. That's why. All right, so now we can organize our classes and whatnot. This shouldn't give an error, but it might because I didn't. It's not giving an error, but there is no package.jso in there, so. What changed? Okay, I'll take it. I mean, heck. So the index and the source thing. Let's make an actual test canvas 320 to 40. We're gonna make another folder called scenes because we are about to write a scene manager. Yeah, we got the document. Okay. And we'll say test canvas dot. You know, let's do something similar to what Pixie.js does, as far as like the ticker thing goes. Internal initialize function, which is why this needs to be underscore init. And let's make an events array. Events. And then we'll say actually all right. Tick array. And let's just have that event for now, and then we'll add the on function. String, and then I guess callback. I'm thinking ahead as well. Like I'm thinking how I wanna, like, do I want one major update thing? Nah. No, because that's not a good idea. Well, yeah, no, that's not a good idea, because if you want to have like multiple things. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. And we're gonna need delta time as well, so I'll get that though in the next episode. All right, so for now, this dot events event name dot push callback dot bind. Or no, we don't need dot bind. It'll just straight up be dot the callback. All right, so now this dot events dot map. This should work just fine. Should work. I'm hoping like we'll get no error like right at the start. Oh yeah, dot tick dot map. Yes, it does. All right, so now, please work. No, we don't need a dot call thing. E. What do you mean? No, it is definitely a function. Oh, that's why. Everything's looking good, so we should just straight be able to. I don't know though. Let's try it. Test canvas dot on tick console dot log yay. Why? It's because the args item is here. Why? What are you talking about? The void type is not a... Okay. Please. No! No! Why? Okay, is it just not doing the update? Because it should. Huh? Maybe we'll do it on the spawn then. Oh no, I know what's happening. Dagnabbit. The watch thing stopped working. Sometimes it does that. Yep, that's why. That's why it stopped updating a long time ago. Alright. npm init y. cd npm init y. Weird. Yes, it is found, dude. It's right friggin' there. What are you smoking? That's really weird, man. Okay. Cannot read properties of undefined reading view. Oh, okay. That's why. Bind this. Alright, so yeah, now we have our update function. Anyway. More on this tomorrow because my brain is done.